Hello and welcome to another Hot Press unboxing. And in today's video, I've got some loopsters. Now, I have this. I've already purchased 4, so now I'll be adding this to the line. Now, let's open it. And here it is. Now, how many did I purchase? You'll see by the end of the video. But it's definitely more than one. Now, let's open the second one. And here it is. Now, I didn't just purchase 2 of them. I might have gone a little bit crazy and purchased 3 of them. Let's open the third one. And here is the third one. Now, I didn't purchase 3, but actually I purchased 4 of them. Let's open the fourth one. And here is the fourth one. Now, we'll put the camera down so I can connect them. And here's the train. Yeah, it's pretty long. So, that's it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.